Let's transfer Sol on Solana. We start by importing from Solana Kit. The key imports are create transaction message, sign transaction message with signers, and send and confirm transaction factory. From the system program, we import get transfer Sol instruction. We connect to a local validator. Port 8899 for RPC calls and 8900 for WebSocket subscriptions. Next, we generate two key pairs, a sender and a recipient. The transfer amount is 0.01 Sol, which is 1 billion LAMP ports divided by 100. The sender needs funds, so we airdrop 1 Sol on our local network. Then we check both balances before the transfer to confirm the starting state. Now the key part, we create a transfer instruction with get transfer Sol instruction. It takes a source signer, a destination address, and an amount in LAMP ports. We fetch a recent block hash. This gives our transaction an expiration window. We build the transaction using pipe. Create a version 0 message. Set the sender as keypair. Attach the block hash, and append our transfer instruction. Then we sign with sign transaction message with signers and send using send and confirm transaction factory. We save the transaction signature, check the updated balances, and log everything to the console. When we run this code, here's the output. Sender started with 1 Sol, now has 0.99. Recipient received 0.01. The small difference is the transaction fee paid to the network. That's how you transfer Sol on Solana.